Dive into online forums. Boost your SAT preparation. Hey there, English language learners. Today, we're exploring the world of online forums and communities. These platforms can be immensely helpful for your SAT preparations. Let's dive into why they're essential and how to use them effectively. Online forums and communities are platforms where users come together to discuss specific topics. When it comes to SAT preparations, these forums become a goldmine. You can find discussion threads about specific questions or topics, study tips and tricks shared by students worldwide, real-life experiences of those who've already taken the test. 1. Diverse perspectives. By engaging in forums, you get diverse perspectives on solving a problem. This broadens your understanding and gives you alternative methods to tackle questions. 2. Instant feedback. If you're stuck on a problem, chances are someone else has been too. Posting on forums can get you quick help. 3. Stay updated. SAT patterns and strategies evolve. Being part of an active community ensures you're always updated with the latest information. 4. Build confidence. Seeing others conquer their challenges can inspire and motivate you to push forward. While these forums are helpful, it's essential to follow certain etiquettes. 1. Be respectful. Always be polite, even if you disagree with someone. 2. Search before posting. Your question might have been answered in previous threads. 3. Stay on topic. Ensure your discussions are related to the SAT and English language learning. 4. Protect personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details on public platforms. 1. Engage actively. Don't just be a passive observer. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and also answer queries if you know the solution. 2. Stay consistent. Regularly check the forum for new posts and updates. This will keep you in the loop. 3. Take notes. If you come across a valuable piece of advice or a new strategy, jot it down. This ensures you remember and can implement it in your study sessions. 4. Connect with fellow learners. Many forums allow you to direct message users. If you find someone who shares similar challenges or goals, connect with them. Study buddies can be a great asset. Online forums and communities are more than just discussion platforms. They're a rich source of knowledge, shared experiences, and support. Engage wisely, and they might just be the boost your SAT preparations needed. Happy studying, and until next time, keep learning.